To begin your lantern design, position your paper horizontally and draw your design and add color. For mine, I did a rabbit and I wrote my birth year because I was born in the year of the rabbit. Then take a thin strip of paper and decorate that to be the handle. Now we can look at how to fold, cut, and put it together. To begin forming your design into a lantern, you are first going to fold it in half, leaving your design on the outside. So line up your corners and carefully slide across to make that crease. Then take your scissors and you want the open side facing up. So you're cutting from the folded side and stop once you get to about 1 inch left. You're going to continue those cuts all the way across, leaving about 1 inch or so in between each one. Once you finish cutting, you can open up your folded paper and you will see all of those slits cut in the center. Simply wrap your paper around, overlapping the two ends, and that is where you can either staple, glue, or tape them together carefully. If you're using a stapler, make sure to watch your fingers. You're going to do that on both ends. Then use the same tool to attach your handle. You're going to slip it slightly inside of your lantern so that it's overlapping, and then attach it on both sides. And there you have it. Your Lunar New Year paper lantern design is complete. I can't wait to see yours.